Welcome to Storyboards. In this video, I will show you how to use built-in data science functions to perform clustering and outliers detection analysis. I will open the storyboard with a scatterplot visualization in edit mode. Let's start with clustering. First, click Edit Settings, then open the Data section. To create a calculation for clustering, I will use the Color field. Next to it, click Add Calculation. In the Calculations pane, let's navigate to Built-in Data Science Functions. Here we have various clustering functions using different models and algorithms, like k-means, affinity propagation, Birch, and others. I will use mlib k-means clustering algorithm. For the imputer value, I will enter 1 to assign any null value to a separate cluster. For the number of clusters to find, let's enter 5. For the maximum number of iterations in a single run, let's enter 20. For columns, let's drag the same measures used on the scatterplot, gross sales and items per transactions, along with specifying the aggregation. Enter a name and save your changes. Notice the calculation is added in the Color field. Click Visualize to preview the clusters. Our algorithm has found 5 clusters for my set of data. To modify the calculation, click the gear icon, then Edit Calculation. Change the number of clusters to 3 and click Update. Let's see the results. The number of clusters is changed to 3. Now let's proceed with Outliers Detection. Let's add a new calculation. Search for Outlier. We have 2 built-in functions. Let's use the first one. For the standard deviation threshold, let's try 3, and then add the gross sales column. Specify the name for the calculation and save your changes. To preview the results, click Visualize. Let's try a different threshold. For example, 1. The number of outliers is bigger. Now you have learned how to use built-in data science functions to perform advanced data analysis. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.